start your unit 3rd, electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a very important unit. In NEET exam, in IIT exam, in our board exam, this unit score full marks. So student, you go through this unit. First is word electrochemical chemistry. What is electrochemistry? Electrochemistry is formed by two words, electrical plus chemical. So in this, two reactions are occur. First, when chemical energy convert to electrical energy, it means chemical reaction takes place and it convert to electrical energy. This type of cell is known as electrochemical cell. This type of cell is electrochemical cell when chemical reaction takes place and it convert to electrical energy. The second type of cell, when we supply electrical energy by the help of battery and it convert to chemical energy. It means chemical reaction takes place. We supply electrical energy from outside and chemical reaction takes place. This type of cell is known as electrolytic cell. So, two type of reaction we study here. When chemical energy convert to electrical energy, that is electrochemical cell, or other type when we supply electrical energy and chemical phenomena takes place, that is electrolytic cell. Today I explain you electrochemical cell. Electrochemical cell, or we can say it galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Three name here: electrochemical, galvanic or voltaic. Now I am taking an example where Zn and Cu couple is present and it is specially known as Daniell cell. अगर Daniell cell आता है तो it means कौन कौन सी दो मेटल प्रेजेंट है? जिंक एंड कॉपर कपल, एंड रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. जिंक रिप्लेस कॉपर आयन, convert to Zn2 plus and copper. It means zinc, here oxidation state is 0, convert to 2 plus. It means oxidation takes place. And copper is 2 plus, convert to 0 oxidation state. It means reduction takes place. So students, it is a redox reaction where oxidation and reduction both take place simultaneously. Zinc is oxidized and copper is reduced. Here you see a diagram. It is a typical electrochemical cell or Daniell cell. In this side, we take 1 ZnSO4 solution and zinc rod is dipped in it. It is connected through a wire to a next container where we take 1 m is 1 molar copper sulfate solution or 1 molar zinc sulfate. It is a standard state, 1 molar. And copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. And you see here a connection between two containers. It is known as salt bridge. Salt bridge. It is made up of KCl or KNO3 concentrated solution in agar-agar algae. We fill it is a semi-solid type of solution and put in a U-shaped glass tube. So what is the function of salt bridge here? क्या function है salt bridge का? अगर मैं ये कनेक्शन ना करती तो ये दो बीकर कभी कनेक्ट नहीं होते और सर्किट कभी कंप्लीट नहीं होता. तो फंक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट ब्रिज इज टू कंप्लीट सर्किट एंड मेंटेन इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी. दिस इज द फंक्शन. वन लाइन क्वेश्चन. सॉल्ट ब्रिज, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट ब्रिज? इट्स कंप्लीट सर्किट एंड मेंटेन इलेक्ट्रिकल न्यूट्रलिटी. नाउ सी, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द डायग्राम. दिस इज गैल्वेनोमीटर. नाउ what function takes place? When zinc rod dipped in its solution, its electrolytic solution, then zinc ion from the rod goes to the solution in form of Zn2 plus. Zinc rod, from the zinc rod, zinc ion goes to the solution in form of Zn2 plus. अगर ये Zn2 plus की फॉर्म में जा रहे हैं, then electron remain left on the rod. And rod becomes negative in nature. Rod becomes negative in nature. Now, this electron from the wire go to the copper rod. Phenomena: copper ion from the solution goes to the rod, take up electron. जब copper ion solution में से rod पर जाएंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेंगे, तो rod becomes positive in nature. क्योंकि वहां से उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लिए, then it convert to positive in nature. It means zinc rod become negative in nature, copper rod becomes positive in nature in compared to its electrolytic solution. When electron move from anode to cathode, then current move from cathode to anode. Current always in opposite direction of electron. A circuit is complete here. Electron move from anode to cathode and current move from cathode to anode, and circuit is complete due to this salt bridge. Here the reaction, that is the half reaction, takes place on each electrode. First at anode. Anode, which work as anode? Anode पे हमेशा क्या होता है? Oxidation. So zinc rod dipped in ZnSO4 solution, this container work as anode. So what is anodic reaction? I already told you, zinc solid from the rod go to the solution and electron is liberated. Here oxidation takes place. At cathode, copper ion from the solution take 2 electron and deposit as a copper solid. We join this reaction, electron cut to each other and we get redox reaction. This is the redox reaction. This is the working of electrochemical cell. What is the working? Here electron always move from anode to cathode, current always move from cathode to anode, anode always on this side and always of active metal. If we has two metal, for example we has magnesium and silver, a couple of magnesium and silver, which one is active here? Here magnesium is active, so magnesium form always anode. Here oxidation takes place. In electrochemical cell, anode is always of active metal and cathode is always of less active metal, so here reduction takes place. तो कभी भी आपको दो मेटल का कपल दिया जाए तो आप ध्यान रखना, the more active metal form anode and less active metal form cathode. Now here 2 points more in electrochemical cell. First is its representation, second is its EMF. EMF of cell, it is calculated by EMF. I repeat. Now next point of this cell is EMF of cell. How can you calculate EMF of cell? EMF of cell is calculated by formula E naught cathode minus E naught anode. EMF of cell is calculated by, it means how much electromotive force is developed in this cell is calculated by E naught cathode. It means electrode potential. In which way? It is in standard way of cathode. Cathode में कौन सी मेटल है? कॉपर. कॉपर का you take electrode potential and minus sign anode. Anode पे which metal? Zinc. You take a standard electrode potential of zinc. So E naught copper 2 plus oblique copper is equal to plus 0.34 volt. It is the standard electrode potential of copper. E naught Zn2 plus oblique Zn is equal to minus 0.76 volt. It is standard electrode potential of zinc in a reduction way. When we put this value in this formula, then what happen? Plus 0.34 minus 0.76, we get 1.1 volt. It is always in positive value. EMF हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा तभी आपकी सेल की वर्किंग होगी. अगर ये नेगेटिव आता है, इट मीन्स आपका सेल का जो डायग्राम है, एनोड और कैथोड जो आपने बनाए हैं वो करेक्ट नहीं है. तो EMF ऑफ सेल इज ऑलवेज इन पॉजिटिव. इन दिस कपल इट इज 1.1 volt. कैथोड ऑफ कॉपर प्लस 0.34 माइनस साइन लगाया minus 0.76, we get 1.1 volt. Clear? So what is the formula of EMF? EMF is the E cathode. What is here? Cathode is right side and anode EMF. This is the next point. So current, direction of current, direction of electron, anode, anode always on oxidation takes place, cathode always reduction takes place. Next point is EMF. Now last point of this cell is representation of cell. How can we represent this cell? This cell is representation of this cell is that show the total feature of this cell, where anode is present, where cathode is present. So in representation we write zinc, because zinc rod convert to Zn2 plus ion, we write here, and the concentration is 1 m. I already told you molar concentration, 1 mole concentration. So write here 1 m. Double line shows salt bridge. Now the electron that replaced by Zn2 plus take up by Cu2 plus. It is also 1 m. Single line. When copper 2 plus take 2 electron, it convert to copper solid. So here portion, this portion show anode, this portion show cathode. When Zn2 plus conversion takes place, then electron move from anode to cathode. When electron move from anode to cathode, current move from cathode to anode. This is the total representation of your cell. By seeing this representation, you can imagine what is anode. This is anode. This is cathode. What is direction of current? Anode to cathode. Or what is direction of electron? Anode to cathode. And direction of current? Cathode to anode. So this is the total representation of electrochemical cell. Clear all